Numerous people constantly struggle to treat various skin issues, like blemishes, warts, and dark spots. They can be caused by various reasons, but you can treat them completely naturally. These are the most effective natural remedies to treat various skin issues. Skin tags are commonly a result of friction from the clothes. You should dip a cotton ball in some apple cider vinegar or tree oil, and apply it on the skin tags. Repeat this procedure several times daily until they fall down. In the case of tree oil, it will take a bit longer, so you should repeat the procedure for 10 days. Age spots are often a result of the excessive sun exposure. Lemon is an extremely effective bleaching agent, so you should apply lemon juice to the skin to lighten the dark spots. Afterward, apply a slot of sunscreen, crush garlic and place the parts on moles. Leave it to act for 4 hours a day. You can also use apple cider vinegar to eliminate moles, but garlic is undoubtedly the most efficient natural remedy. Blackheads. The elimination of blackheads requires clean pores. Therefore, you should steam the face in order to open the pores, and then apply apple cider vinegar, 100% natural astringent. In the end, apply some moisturizer, such as coconut oil.